Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is another rainy day. Dang on it, I take the week off to try to get some stuff done, and I told y'all, every time I think I can see a light at the end of the tunnel, this is the crap that happens. I mean, I know it's life, don't get me wrong, and life's a four-letter word, but it just gets frustrating when I swear every time we get ahead. And like I said, took a week off, getting ready for Friday and Saturday, and Mike come down and was gonna we're gonna jump on it. We did. We got the bathroom totally tore out. Everything's ready to go back in, and because of the rain, we built Randy a ramp back there so that he can go up to the top of the building up there to that office and work on the computer and stuff and not have to go out in the rain. So we got a lot done yesterday, but with the rain and everything, I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to get the sign up. The guy said I could use the lift, and he went and he had somebody go check it out, and it's ready, but they can't get it out the yard because of the rain. And he thinks that they could make it happen, but that lift's awful heavy, and we've had a lot of rain, and I don't want them to mess up their yard. So we'll see. That might be a project that doesn't get done, because I really wanted to sign up before everybody showed up on Friday and Saturday. But if it don't, it's not gonna, ruin everything. It's just something I kind of like to do. Excuse me. But it is, it is what it is. We've got some god-awful wind blowing, a lot of rain, and it's cold. And if I hadn't told y'all, I hate cold. But anyway, like I said, it's, what day is it? It's Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday, October 28th. 3 days to our first ever trunk or treat. 4 days until our first ever appreciation day. Like I said, for y'all that making long plans in advance, this day will be September the 11th of next year. I haven't even looked on the calendar, but it will be the weekend right there. So we will do it next year, providing that something stupid don't happen again. But the reason it will be on that right around that date is because that's when Randy bought the building. That's what we were going to plan on doing this year, but Randy ended up getting hurt, so we couldn't do it. And we had a lot going on, but next year these two events won't be together. But anyway, that's what we got. And now for the agenda. I've kind of wasted too much time. I was going to, I got to go get some longer nails. I've never messed with a concrete nail gun, and I thought that my boards was 5/8. They're longer than 5/8, so the nails that I got is not long enough to go through the board and into the concrete and hold. So I've got to go get longer nails. And I'd like to try to finish that one bathroom. And the one to be complete. I because of the rain and everything, I'm not 100% sure I'll start on the other one. I don't know yet, but at least the one will be done. And I'd like to move the exhaust rack. Justin started cleaning up yesterday over in that one corner. He just about got it. We get it finished over there, and we'll get these longer nails, and we'll nail down 2x4 and build the rack, and then we'll move all this exhaust over there. Move the I don't know that I'll move the vendor because we're using that room back there for the saw and everything. So, but anyway, we will move everything back there so that we give us more room up here. And we got the 6 p.m. live in the video. It's just y'all seen, or I told y'all I didn't use all my footage last night, but I did get to, I worked on the old hand truck y'all are sitting on now, and I worked on the SS, got it going. I am going to drive the SS here in just a minute to go get these nails if Justin's not going to get Randy. I'll probably just go get Randy. I think it might be him that just texted me. So I'll probably just shoot over and get Randy and go get the nails, and they'll just head on back. It'll probably be faster that than Justin getting up and going. But like I said, we'll see. But that's what we got on our agenda today. We a little slower start than I did yesterday. Yesterday I got up at my regular time. Today I just turned my alarm off and I laid there for a little bit longer. I don't like doing that. That's something that I do not do hardly ever. But I did it today because I just was going to try to get some more sleep. I don't know that I got any more sleep or not, but anyway. But that's what we got going on today. Let's get this thing going. Remember, we got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy and be safe, and smile. You know, like I said, even though it's not going as I planned, it's still. I don't have to go to work. Mike's here and his wife, and she cooked a big old thing of chili yesterday, and it was good. He hit right home with being cold like this. And so, just like I said, look on the positive side instead of like, you know, yeah, we're not going to get everything we got done, but we got good people around us. We're able to work, and we got a good future ahead of us as long as nothing stupid happens. So get out there, get on your projects, enjoy yourself, and make yourself happy. Y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank you. All right, everybody, I know that what I told y'all on the list, what I needed to do, this wasn't on the list, but I got to thinking, Randy can't get in and out the dually, and I needed to put an alternator on the SS, so if he needs to go somewhere, I can get him somewhere. So I'm gonna set y'all up right here, and we're gonna put an alternator on the SS here. I do have one that was off one of the other 5.3 motors that we've taken out. I know this is 6.0. They should be the same. Should be. That don't mean they are. Probably need to get Jimmy the Cricket to look it up, but it should give me a little bit of a difference until I believe what I'm going to do is this is original, and I'll just go get it rebuilt and then put it back on. So y'all bear with me. I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to loosen up the belt here on the tensioner and take the belt off, see if we can get this alternator off. I hope y'all can see good in there, right there. I mean, it's dark in here, but anyway, here we go. Red light. Not a metal hood. That sucks. That sucks. I see that's gonna be one of them days, huh? Yeah, don't do that. That's not what I need to do. Why is it so damn tight? Might be part of the problem. Why is that so damn tight? See if we can try that again. Put this over here, see if I can get it rebuilt. Make sure this is the same. It is not. They are not the same. Daggone it. Alright, hold on, let me go look for another one.
You might have to put a parental warning beginning of the video.
I'll put a song up.
Mike's here, and there may be a parental warning encouraged.
Parental discretion advised. All right, everybody. I got the alternator put back on. It was just 2 bolts and the power. I'm going to double check everything, make sure it's good to go. Then I'm going to get this truck out of here so I can go over here and help Mike. I had a customer come in and bought 4 tires, so we got to figure this out. So thank y'all. That was one job, another job done today. That's 2 so far today. We on the roll. Thank you.